Hello, 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 everyone. Today I want to talk to you about how to share your blog, the quickest way to do that. So, if you've gone all the way through day one, you've gotten to this point where you completed your first blog. Congratulations. So now you have this blog and it's in your back office, and what do you do with it? So there's a couple ways to get it out there, and a couple ways you things you need to know beforehand. So once you log in and start blogging, click log in and start blogging again, and then we're gonna go to posts and click that. Now I'm gonna take this inbox income results may vary. So what I'm gonna do here is just I'm gonna edit it. You really don't have to, but just so I can show you. Right here you have your update button, which your very first time is going to say publish, and you want to make sure you do that, and that's what makes your blog live and people can actually find it, but they have to know where to look if you want them to find it. So what happens is it makes when you start blogging, it's going to put your title at the end of this link. So all of your blogs are going to have this same empowernetwork.com / your username / blog / a portion of the title of your blog, whatever you type in this box here. So that's pretty long, and sometimes it gets a little cumbersome to share. If you want to change it, you can edit it, and then you can change whatever the handle is here. But it really doesn't matter, because what we're going to do is show you how to change that around. So I'm going to go ahead and update. And then I think I shared in another video before that Facebook and a few other websites are not empowernetwork.com, that actual link. They're not empowernetwork.com friendly. So you want to switch it over to something else. We have a couple different options to do that so that you can post right on Facebook. So with your first blog, you can say, hey, look everybody, I did my first blog. Click this link, click the link below to check it out. And basically that's pretty much all you need to do to share it. Okay, so now we're going to go here, it's updated, and then we're going to click view post. Alright, so once that comes up, you see here in your browser it has that same link that we had before. And then what we're going to do is come down here, and actually what we're going to do is the first one is to go to social media bar. Now here we have socialmediabar.com, and this is just a way to hide the actual empowernetwork.com link. So what we're going to do, socialmediabar.com, and what do we want it to say? This is what people will actually see. So you want to, make it appealing, or, or not. It really doesn't matter. So I'm just going to do inbox. I don't know if I've done this before. Inbox income. You can make it the same as the other one if you want. You really don't have to, but it doesn't matter. Okay, and now it's saying, excuse me, what link are we trying to cover up? So we're going to come back to our Empower Network blog, copy this link here, Control C, right click, paste, whatever works for you, and then paste it here. And then what's the title? Make something up, really doesn't matter. And then if you can post the first paragraph of the blog here, you can whatever you want to say. There's some other trainings in the Real Work Encouragement Team website that tell you what's helpful to put in the description, either of your videos or on your blogs. So you can follow that training as well here. So that's why it says SEO description, because this is how Google determines what your article is about. So it does help if you're using keywords that you have them in your description. Now this part can be a little tricky. You want to get an image so that when you post it on Facebook, it shows a picture. Now Facebook is very visually driven. So what you want to do is come to Google, is what I like to do, and it has to be a picture that's online. So you can click images, and then I'm just going to type results may vary, see what I get. Oops. I guess somebody had an album name results may vary. I don't know. Okay, so maybe that's not a good idea. Maybe if we put quotes. Yeah, well, this isn't working very well. Alright, so that one wasn't a good example. My first blog. Okay, so we're going to take this one here. Okay, my first blog that has that picture attached to it. Okay, so we'll use this one. So click on it, and then you're going to view original image. Wait, sorry, that was wrong. Don't view original image. Let's go back. Click that. This is apparently where she had the person who originally posted it, but we can borrow it from her. Why does it keep taking me there? Oh, if I stop clicking a picture, that will help. Okay, so let's try this again. So no, it was view original image here. Sorry, so yeah, you do click view original image, right click, and copy image URL. So basically we're copying this link up here to the picture itself. Then we're going to come back to social media bar, paste that there. We'll use that to create a link. Now, just as another option, what I've done is created a Photobucket account. And what Photobucket is just a way to store all of your pictures online, and it automatically creates a link. So click on your library, and I also have this app on my phone, so as soon as I take pictures I can upload them straight to Photobucket, and then that saves the space on my phone as well. And then it has all my videos up here, so has a lot of everything. Hey mom and dad. Alright, so if you wanted to, say I wanted to use this thank you thing or something. Then when you come over here, it has the link right here. So you can copy it like that, and then just come over here and then paste it here. But for right now, we're going to leave it like it is. And that's just a way to have your own custom picture, so you don't have to borrow from somebody else's that's already there. So now you click create the link, and it's going to make this socialmediabar.com live. Okay, eventually it will. Okay, so there was something wrong with the page here, but after this page it will show up and say, okay, your link has been created. Do you want to copy this link or share this link or what have you? So here it is over here, socialmediabar.com/inbox-income-2. So that's what we set it to be over here on this other page. See, it's the same link here that's over here. So our title is the same, and it brings a link to our blog. So now we can take this link here, copy it, and then go to Facebook. And then on Facebook we can post it. This is not a blog I really want to share the way it is, so I'm just going to do it so you can see what it looks like. So it automatically creates the link. If you want, you can erase it here after it shows up, but it has that picture that we made, and then that's how I'll go ahead and post it. It's only me. so you can see how it looks. And then if they open it on their phone, the picture is really, really big and whatnot. So that's how it looks. And that's a good way to share your blogs on Facebook. All right, now, one other thing I want to make you aware of is Dave and Dave, the co-founders of the company, have created another way for us to share a blog, so we don't have to use social media bar. I don't use this way because this is just not the language that I use on a regular basis. So if you see here, we have this button here. You can hide that from your blog if you'd like. So what you do is just log into your back office, come to your blog, and then under the appearances tab, it has hide the button, and it says 24 hours before it goes on or off. So I didn't want to do it on mine because then I have to turn it back off after I turn it on. But it works the same way as social media bar does. So you just click the link, put in your title, put in the link that you have here, and then you'll have another link that you can promote that'll just say, but the link will include this word that I don't normally use. So you have two options: social media bar, and then you have this button as well that you can use. When we watch go ahead and watch the syndication video, and that will show you another way how just posting on Facebook is one way to share your links, to share your blog, but then you want to also syndicate it and get it out to the rest of the world, not just your friends on Facebook. But the reason why we have it here with social media bar, it makes it great because you have this, what we call a frame, this frame here. So every single one of your blogs, you want to do social media bar or use the other button, you'll have this frame. You should have a Facebook account so you can like it. You should have a Twitter account so you can tweet it out. You should have a LinkedIn account so you can share it on LinkedIn. And then Stumble, you can have it on there, and then have some circles on on Google+, and you can share it there. Okay, so that's pretty much the basics of how to get that first blog out. So go ahead and do that, and you want to do that every single day, and then learn some more marketing techniques on how to syndicate. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.